What if I told you that one small seed sitting quietly in your kitchen could support digestion, soothe coughs, freshen breath, and provide antioxidant protection for your body? This powerful spice is called anise. Scientifically known as Pimpinella anisum, it has been used for centuries across Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East for natural wellness support. In this video, we will explore its benefits, how to prepare it properly, and important safety considerations. First, digestion support. Anise contains a natural compound called anethol, which may help relax digestive tract muscles. This relaxation can reduce bloating, gas, and mild stomach discomfort. Many cultures drink anise tea after meals to help calm the stomach and improve digestive comfort. Second, respiratory support. Anise has traditionally been used to help ease cough and loosen mucus. Warm anise tea may soothe the throat and support clearer breathing. Third, natural breath freshening. Chewing a few anise seeds after meals may help neutralize odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. This is why anise flavor is often used in toothpaste and mouth care products. Fourth, antioxidant protection. Anise contains antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress. Antioxidants act like bodyguards, supporting overall wellness and healthy aging. Fifth, women's wellness support. Some traditional practices use anise to support menstrual comfort. Because anethol has mild phytoestrogen-like properties, individuals with hormone-sensitive conditions should consult a healthcare professional before regular use. Now, how to prepare anise tea properly. Lightly crush 1 teaspoon of anise seeds to release the natural oils. Pour 1 cup of hot water over the seeds. Cover and allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm. For digestion, drink after meals. For throat support, drink 1 to 2 times daily. Safety note: anise is generally safe in normal food amounts. However, pregnant individuals, those with hormone-sensitive conditions, or anyone with allergies to carrot family plants should seek medical advice before regular use. In summary, anise may support digestion, respiratory comfort, fresh breath, antioxidant protection, and overall wellness. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more natural health education.